Hello, I'm Kelly Rodkey, the coordinator for Simon Youth Academy at Avon.
Hi, I'm Elliot Doan, Avon Academy School Counselor.
Hi, I'm Angie Jones. I am the office manager at Avon Academy.
Very excited to see you next week. Welcome to our family.
We are so excited for this program and can't wait to meet everyone.
I am here at our new academy and just wanted to give you an update on how things are coming as we prepare for school to open next week for our very first year. We have completed all of the construction in the classrooms and are ready to go. We have some final checks to do, but things are on target to open next week. We are very excited about all of our features, our classrooms, our LGI and cafe, our daycare, which we're calling the Nest. And then we are currently in construction on our half basketball court and outdoor eating area outside, which will provide a lot of needed outdoor opportunity for our students. Next week, we have a couple of exciting opportunities for people to see. On Tuesday, July 25th, at 3:30, we have our ribbon cutting ceremony where we will officially welcome people into our new space. Simon Youth Foundation is coming that evening, as well as dignitaries in the community, and we are excited for people to get a sneak peek tour that evening as well. Also, after that, we are welcoming all of our families and students to our first ever Academy preview night, and they will come in and do things that kids do at AHS for Oriole Preview Day, such as get their school picture taken, get their ID, talk to transportation, the cafeteria, clinic, and all the necessary things before school starts. And then officially, our students will join us on Thursday morning, bright and early at 8:30. And we are excited to see all of them and start this new and exciting school program.